Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, where we help you confidently pronounce tricky words and brand names. Today's word is from the world of luxury cars, Lamborghini. Are you pronouncing it the right way? Many people say it as Lamborghini or Lamborghini. Does that sound like you? But don't worry, we'll get it right together. The correct pronunciation is Lamborghini. The Lambor part is straightforward, just like it sounds, Lambor. The Guinea part is pronounced as Gini, with a hard G, like in the word go. Remember, it's Italian, so the emphasis is slightly on the G sound. Let's practice together. Lamborghini, Lamborghini, Lamborghini. Start slow, then say it faster. You've got it. Here's something cool that Lamborghini was originally a tractor company before it became a luxury car brand in 1963. Its founder, Ferruccio Lamborghini, wanted to compete with Ferrari after a famous disagreement with Enzo Ferrari. The raging bull in their logo reflects Ferruccio's zodiac sign, Taurus. Now you know how to say Lamborghini like a pro. Impress your friends next time you're talking about supercars. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment your dream Lamborghini model below, and subscribe for more pronunciation tips. See you next time.